Hi everyone and welcome to the video. As you guys can see, today I'm bringing you a glam colorful skull tutorial. So I'm starting off with a blue wig and some contacts because it really gives me inspo for creating the look, and then I'm going in with my brows, and for them I'm just doing them like how I usually do them with my ABH brow wiz, one of my favorites, and I'm just like doing it normally. If you guys want to see a brow tutorial, just let me know. Then I'm just prepping my lids for the eyeshadow with the pillowy base, which is my favorite. You guys know I love it. And it's time for the eyes. ABH Norvina Volume 2. I love this palette, super colorful, and this wig really inspired me to go blue. So I went with a super blue, bright blue smoky eye, and then I'm just like blending it out with some oranges and browns, and of course highlighting my inner corner and brow bone. And eyes are done, super simple, just a blue smoky eye. Moving into the face, I'm going in with the Silk Canvas from Tatcha, which I love, and for foundation I chose to go with the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation, which is one of my favorites, and I also mixed some drops of Farsali oil. Then just blend that out with my Real Techniques sponge, which is one that I really like as well. I really like this foundation, it really matches me. Then this is not necessary, I'm just contouring because I love doing it, but when you are doing a skull makeup look, you don't need to bronze or even to contour, but I just wanted to be super extra and glam, that's why I did it. Then I'm going in with concealer, and this one is also from Fenty Beauty. Then I'm just gonna blend that out. I'm just like doing a normal like makeup routine first before I go in with the actual skull. So I'm just like bronzing and contouring and all that glam, all that jazz. Then I'm just finishing the eyes with some bright blue shades because I really like the wig and I wanted to use these colors today. Then to highlight my face, I just went in with the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb highlighter. This is one of my favorites as well. I just chose to use a lot of favorites for this tutorial. Then I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty colorful liquid eyeliners. I just love them, they're super easy to work with, and I just like start to draw this skull. If it's hard for you, just like see a picture online of a skull or any like makeup look of a skull and try following that, it really helps. And then I'm just going in with some colors. So I chose to go with gradient colors. I was inspired by some artists. I don't remember their name right now, but I will write them on the screen to do this look. They are amazing, so make sure you check them out. So I'm using some like blues to greens to yellow. Make sure I follow the rainbow colors and like do kind of a gradient effect. For the skull, I'm just really going in with black right now and using this pencil as a base to then go in with eyeshadow. It really helps. You can also use a nude lip pencil or even eyeliner to just draw your sketch so you know what you are doing after. You can just follow that. And then I'm just like going in with white over the colors to kind of give that neon effect, and go again with colors to kind of make it look more bright and colorful. Then here I'm going in with black eyeshadow to really make that part of this color really dark. And it's okay if you do mistakes, you can just go again with the black and like kind of correct everything, so it's okay if it's not like perfect. Then again, playing with colors, and here I'm just bored so I'm dancing. Playing with colors, going with the gradients, going with the rainbow theme, and again the white. Then the lips. This is a tricky part. I tried different things for the teeth, but it was really hard drawing them, so I ended up using the eyeliner from Fenty Beauty. I think this was like the best option. I tried eyeshadow and it really didn't work out. I tried concealer, I tried like different stuff, and then here I'm going in with a blue lipstick and then went in with black eyeshadow just to correct my mistakes. And for the jawline, I'm just doing the same, going after the rainbow colors and just using like eyeshadow from a colorful palette to kind of do it, and then again with the white eyeliner, super easy. And then for the nose, I went again with the blue eyeliner. These eyeliners from Fenty Beauty are super bright, so I feel like they were just perfect for this look. And then here I'm just like filling my nose with the black eyeshadow. So this look was pretty easy to do, and I hope I could help you with this tutorial so you can create your own look. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, follow me on social media, you guys know all that jazz. I love you, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye bye.